Deep in the heart of a lush, green jungle, where the trees reach high into the sky and the rivers flow with sparkling water, there lived a mighty king, the king of the jungle. But this king was not just any ruler. He was Leo the lion, with a golden mane that shined like the sun. Leo was strong, brave, and the protector of all the animals in his jungle. As the jungle awoke with the morning sun, the animals of the jungle began their day, each one unique and special in their own way. Leo the lion, with his golden coat and strong paws, was the most powerful of them all. His roar could be heard across the jungle, and every animal respected him. He had a noble presence, with eyes that sparkled with wisdom.
The lion's mane was so thick and golden that it looked like a crown, making him the true king of the jungle. Not far from Leo, there was a gentle giant with a long neck and tall legs. It was Jerry the giraffe.
Jerry the giraffe was a peaceful creature who loved to nibble on the highest leaves of the tallest trees. Jerry's spots helped him blend into the trees, his long legs carrying him gracefully through the jungle. Next, we meet Ella the elephant. With her big, flapping ears and long trunk, Ella could splash in the river or scoop up mud for a cool bath. Her massive feet made deep prints in the ground, but her heart was as soft as the clouds. Zara the cheetah was known for her speed. She could run faster than any other animal in the jungle, her slender body and spotted coat helping her race across the plains like a blur. Her speed made her a graceful predator, swift and silent in her pursuit. High in the treetops, perched quietly in the shadows, lived Ollie the owl. With his big, round eyes, Ollie could see everything, even in the dark of night. His feathers were soft and silent, allowing him to fly without making a sound. He watched over the jungle while the other animals slept. In the middle of the jungle, near the sparkling river, lived Pete the peacock. Pete's feathers were the brightest and most beautiful of them all. When he spread his tail, it looked like a rainbow of colors, with blues, greens, and golds all shimmering in the sunlight. Swinging from tree to tree, chattering and laughing, were Momo and his friends, the monkeys. With their long, curly tails and quick movements, they loved to jump and play all day long. They were curious and always ready for fun, making every day a new adventure. Through the thick, mysterious parts of the jungle, where the trees were dense and the shadows deep, wandered Tara the tiger. With her bright orange coat and black stripes, Tara was quiet and stealthy, moving through the jungle with grace. Her eyes glowed in the night as she moved silently, always on the hunt. In the flowers and the trees, there was another important character, the little bee, Benny. Benny buzzed from flower to flower, helping to pollinate the plants. Without Benny, the jungle would not bloom with all its beautiful flowers. As the sun set and the stars began to twinkle, the jungle transformed into a peaceful, quiet world. The animals all found their homes. Leo the lion lay beneath a tree, Jerry the giraffe ate the last leaves of the day. The jungle was a place of harmony, where each animal played its part in the circle of life. Leo the lion, Jerry the giraffe, Zara the cheetah, Ella the elephant, and all the other animals lived together in harmony, each one unique and special.